Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Preeti and I'm hoping you all are doing good. So this is the morning time and I have come down and so I'm going to organize my living area. This is like almost neat and clean. I just have to reorganize little bit, and once it is organized I'll do puja for 5 minutes. At least I always try to do puja for 5 minutes to keep positive whole day. So this is really important to be energetic and positive whole day, because morning decides only how we are going to be whole day. So I always prefer to do puja for 5 minutes and at least try to take a healthy drink in morning. So today I'm taking chia seed with warm water. Like the every day, like every morning is not same, so I always try. Some day I take warm water, some days I take chia seed or flax seed, like this only. So I'm done with this drink, so I'll make tea for me and my husband. So this is the breakfast time, and like summer vacation is going on and my son is still sleeping. So I really feel very relaxed, because once he get up, he always used to have, mama, I want this, I want this only. So I have kind of sukoon in making breakfast. So I'm just making simply bhindi bhujia with onion and paratha. That's it. We are done with the breakfast. After having breakfast, I'll clean the dining table and the kitchen countertop, and at the same time I'll clean the dishes also, so that I'm free with the cleaning and dishes, and I can utilize my more time in doing something else. So I just have to grout my corner, because ants is coming these days. So after having this, I'll do that. So I'm sure you have liked my content, then please like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.